Okay. So in ECC,
Hmm.
the number range maximum number allowed is 18 digit. Okay. In S4, it is up to 40 digit extended.
Hmm.
Okay. So you can
40.
40 is
Okay.
okay. So you can use up to that. Okay. Mm, okay. Let's say ROH is having number range from 1,0502 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay.
Hmm.
So likewise, I'm adding as a 2,000. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that's how number range is defined for per material type. Okay.
Okay.
So this is we are building this KDS. Okay. So then we discuss this with
Okay.
business. Okay. So this is our proposed. Maybe business is having some
Hmm.
other
Hmm.
logic behind to have this number. Okay. They can provide us and then we can utilize the same.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is how it is.
Okay.
Clear? So coming to the SAP now. Let me take one HLB standard one. Okay. So this is standard semi-finished material type. Okay. This is description.
Okay.
Field reference. Okay. So which fields are applicable and field control is at this field reference group. Okay.
Okay.
From there we can control this. And then
Means
product
field reference me.
field reference group. This one HLB.
Okay.
Okay. From there the
Hmm.
fields in the HLB material type will be controlled.
Hmm.
Okay, like
Okay.
which one you want to make it visible, mandatory, hidden, like that.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then product type group. Okay, earlier it was not there. Okay, so now in
Hmm.
S4 it is there. Like if I set it as a
One
one
is for material.
material,
Hmm.
two is for service, and three is for
General.
subscription type of materials. Okay, this is
Okay.
how this service material type is configured with two as a service
Hmm.
and one
Hmm.
for
Hmm. Hmm.
material. Okay,
Okay.
okay, and then
So we are for this we are configuring that product type group, or we just for your
no, this is if
just
mandatory
for
one.
our
Okay, so compatibility mode means
mm,
on basis on the master data
uh,
and view selection,
uh,
it will be considered as a either material. Okay, in service like costing is
okay.
not there, storage is not there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because services
Mm-hmm.
cannot be stored, right?
Correct, correct. So if we select first one, according to that, here what the views will change, like this, correct?
Not views selection. System will
Mm.
consider whether it is as a material or service.
Okay, okay, okay.
Hmm. So this is a for a specific special material types. Okay, so whether if material is configurable, then if you can select this. If material is pipeline, then you can select this.
Mm-hmm.
If it's a manufacturing part number, you can select this.
Mm-hmm.
On if you want to show only WM stock, this is now extended one. Earlier it was not there,
Mm-hmm.
so you can
Mm-hmm.
select this one. Okay. This
Okay.
checkbox, this checkbox is for. Okay, just now I have given you the number ranges. Okay, so I have said
Mm,
suppose which number ranges are for HLB? This one 2000. My
mm,
semi-finished materials will be start with 200 and like up to 2999. Okay, but
okay, okay.
but so that is a check
Mm,
and control from the system.
mm,
So if I want to create material without that check, like okay, like for example,
mm,
two ABC I want to give. Okay, so system will
mm,
not
mm.
accept this. Okay, so to allow that, to allow that, this checkbox is selected.
Okay. Means it is in alphanumeric or numeric both. Like,
So that
mhm,
checkbox means external number assignment without check.
mhm,
Without check means system
mm.
will not check which number you have entered. System will accept that number.
Okay.
Okay. So
If
that
you untick means the specific number is only will accept, right?
correct, correct. So now if I deselect this and save it, the system will allow
Mm,
only that assigned number from assigned number range only.
okay.
Hmm.
Scroll
ठीक है.
down. Scroll
Then
down.
user departments. Okay. So user
Mm,
departments are specific like view selection. View selection means when you try to create a material master for this specific
mhm,
material type HALP. Okay, for example.
mhm,
So which views should be mandatory, okay, or allowed to create to extend the
mhm.
master data. So that is controlled from here.
Okay.
Okay, so for example, yeah, since this is a standard one, let's say I'm giving an example. So ABC
Mm,
material type, okay, which is not require uh, accounting. Okay, you don't want to control that account. It is a non-valuated material. Okay, so I do simply
okay.
deselect this view. Accounting deselect means costing will not be there. Okay,
Mm,
okay, and if I save it while creating material master for this material type, system will not show you these my accounting these views.
mm.
So that means
Got it.
you cannot update the price or cost for that matter. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the standard views available: storage, plant stock, sales, warehouse management, quality management, forecasting, then the basic data, okay, purchasing, production resources, MRP classification, accounting, and work schedule.
Mhm.
Okay, these are the standard views. Okay, now internal external purchase order. So what is this internal external purchase order? So
Mhm.
okay, let me open this. Okay. So zero means what? If you update zero, so no external purchase order allow.
Mm,
External means outside the system to the vendor.
okay.
Okay, so system will not allow to create purchase order for that material. Let's say
Okay.
semi-finished materials you are not selling. So not
Mhm.
selling, not selling either, not buying either. Okay. Okay,
Mhm.
semi-finished products are in-house production for you. Okay. I'm
Okay.
just giving example. Okay. So then if you can in that
Mm,
case you can update as a zero. That means by mistake also, even if any user wants to create purchase order, okay, by mistake
mhm.
also system will not allow.
Okay.
So that is a control set. So one means external purchase allowed, but system will show give you the warning while creating the orders.
Mhm.
Warning message, but that you can continue and save. Two means it is allowed. You can create the external purchase orders.
Mhm.
Okay. So that's why it is updated as two. Same for internal purchase orders.
Mhm.
Internal purchase order, this is just generally basically to production orders, actually. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. This is important. I mean, you should know this. In the interview also, they ask to The question will be like this. Okay. So how we configure
Mm-hmm.
the material types. Okay. So for that, then you
Mm-hmm.
need to explain all this, whatever I have just mentioned. Special material types,
Mm-hmm.
internal external purchase orders, user departments control, external number assignment without
Mm-hmm.
check, field reference, product type group. Okay. Even though
Mm-hmm.
item category group, we can default it. Okay. If I maintain any item category group for this specific material type, like for example, norm generally used. Okay. NORM.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So by default, system will pick this item category group during the material
Item
master,
category while creating the PO.
mat, not PO, material master creation.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
you will
Okay,
create the
sir.
material master for this, right? So and
Mm-hmm.
then it will subsequently it will flow to the wherever it is being used.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's why. If you are
Okay.
going to use this into the cross plant functionality, and if
Mm.
you want to set uh, status, like for example, if you don't want to allow
Blocks
that
for procurement.
procurement phase out
Mm-hmm.
under review, like different types of blocks we can define. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you want to set during the material master creation by default this status, then you can set it from here.
Okay.
Okay.
But if we select configure now, we how many materials are like that, then the system will allow means not allowing to us the procurement or the because we use that block. Okay, got it now.
No, 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 no. So this is just a default value. Default
Okay, but now
value
if
will be
we now
flow during the material master creation
okay.
for this material type. Allowed value in short.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Means this is for specific to these material types only. Whatever the material master you are going to create on this material type, it will be
Mm-hmm.
specific for those materials only.
Okay. Now down is there classification, class
Okay.
type, and class.
Okay. Now, so why I was telling, so in question will be like that. Okay. So how we configure the
Mm,
material type. So that's why I was saying it, telling you this. You have to explain like this. We can control internal,
mm,
external purchase. Okay. View selection,
mm,
then classification also.
mm,
This is again just what I mentioned is if you want
mm.
to make it default. So for example, 001 is a standard material class type. Okay. These are the standard.
Okay.
Okay. Like for example, 001 is
Mm,
for material class, 010 for vendor class, 011 for customer class, 023 for batch, 032 for
batch.
release strategy. Okay. So depending on you can during the uh, characteristic class creation. Okay. During the class creation, you can select this class type.
So class type who will create? Who will configure the class?
Class
MM or
we
any
can.
other?
We can also
We can
do,
know.
yes, but depend like, so if it is a material master, we can do. If it is for
Mm-hmm.
batch, generally it depends like who owns that batch. Like for example, production
Mm-hmm.
team, PP module has taken ownership, so they have to do that. Okay. If MM module has taken the
Okay.
ownership, then MM consultant has to do.
Mm-hmm.
Generally, similarly, if we are going to set the release strategy, then to create the class, we need to MM consultant has to do that. Okay. So for that, during the class creation, you need to select the class type as a 032. Okay.
Are you already perform like these configurations means everything
Sorry,
like you are showing now? So are you performed already like this configuration before
which configuration? You have to select just
this
this.
class? Yeah, yeah, but
Then you can
here
do that.
it is standard. Mm-hmm.
No, no, no. These are the standard we have to use. No? These are the
Mm-hmm.
standard class type we have to use during the class creation.
Okay.
I will show you that point of time. Like for release strategy, I will show you how we can do that. Okay. But these are the
Okay.
standard one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. And then you can default it. And then whatever the class you have created, you can assign it here also. So maybe you
Okay.
have to give the class type here. Like for example, let's say 001 for material. Okay. So these are the class creation. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Last column.
Okay.
So for like for example, release strategy 032. So these are the release strategy class created already. So in
Mm-hmm.
even consultant can create this one. Okay.
Okay.
Then valuation,
Mm.
price control. Okay. So this is for either
Standard price,
standard
moving
price
prices.
or moving price only. You
Mm.
can default it from
Mm.
here. Okay.
Mm.
You can select like during the material
Okay.
master creation, which
Mm-hmm.
price control should populate. Okay. And if you want
Mm-hmm.
to if
Mm-hmm.
you want to this standard price or moving average price as a mandatory for this material type, you can select this checkbox. Then system will not allow
Okay.
you to change during the material master creation. It will be defaulted.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay.
Some of
Then
the contractual, the price is already decided that then only will create this as a moving average or standard, right?
this is pro control from this checkbox.
Mm-hmm. Account
Mm,
assignment reference.
account category reference. Okay. So
Mm.
it is to link the GL account. Okay. Which
Okay.
GL to be fetched, which GL you want to fetch during the document posting for this
Mm-hmm.
material types master.
Okay.
Okay. So 008 is
Mm.
for semi-finished. Okay. So then there is a configuration OBYC, MMFI integration. That time I will show you this one, how this comes in picture.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Okay. Then quantity value updating.
Mm.
So quantity means whether you are going to control that at quantity level and value level, and where at by
Mhm.
valuation area. Valuation area means under the plant. Valuation area
Mhm.
is nothing but if you are not going to update its value quantity or value in valuation area, then you can select
Mhm.
this one. Okay.
Okay.
But since we generally do at a plant level, so that's why this is selected by valuation area. Okay.
Okay.
This is a retail specific field. I have never used this till now. Okay. This is just there.
Mhm.
Maybe it is applicable to the retail only. Okay. That's why.
Mhm.
Okay. So this is a important configuration for the material type. Okay. Apart from
Okay.
this, there is one more quantity value updating field. Okay. See,
Mm.
if you see here, just now I have shown you that valuation area you have selected. Okay. So now in which
Mm. Mm.
valuation area you want to allow that quantity and value update. Okay. So that you need to select it. Yeah. That control is there.
Mm. Mm.
Okay. So,
Quantity updating, value updating.
let's say our
Mhm.
plant is there. Okay. So we have already created 1005.
Mm.
Right. This is our
Mm.
plant.
Mhm.
All the private limited. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
Someone did copy from our 1005, this 1004. See,
Mhm.
this not copy. I think they have assigned the same company code to there also. Okay.
Mhm.
That's why it is be showing two entries. Maybe. I don't know.
Mhm.
Someone did. Okay.
Mhm.
So for this, it is there. Checkbox. If I remove the checkbox, then you won't be able to update its value. Okay. And quantity
Okay.
tracking. Okay. I mean, system
Mhm.
will show you an error. Basically, that's it.
Uh-huh.
No, if you go to the track the valuation. Okay, if it's a pipeline material, then it will be this one will be selected mandatory and allowed. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is important configuration for material types.
Okay.
Okay. So this is standard one. Now we will create a new one for us.
Mhm. Okay.
I will
OMS2.
I will take the same reference HALB. Okay. I will select this one and there is a copy option, copy as. Okay.
Mm,
You have to
mm,
just go
mm,
there and you have to provide 4-digit alpha numeric.
mhm,
Okay. ZHLB. I will give it is. This code should not be already available. Okay. Otherwise, system will give you an error.
mhm, okay.
Say it is not there. Okay.
Mm,
Let me save first. Okay. So
okay.
if you see this, this is someone else request. Okay. Now I will select our
Mm,
own request.
mhm, mhm,
MMORG setup. This one we created, right?
yeah, yes.
Now data was saved. Okay. So now this is
Mhm,
our material type. Okay. I
mhm,
will show you. Now we can modify this material.
mhm,
Like for example, each material type I can give same. Yes.
mm,
And let's say I want to allow okay, then what I don't want to do. Okay. First thing storage I want to do all of this work scheduling I don't want. Okay. I will show you
okay.
how it will impact there. One more
Mhm.
thing I want to show is price mandatory one. You are aware of this one, right? I will show you
Moving price, standard price.
mandate. Okay, so I will show you how it controls. Okay,
Okay.
if I select
Mm,
this,
okay.
I will not select this. Will first create, then I will show you how it allow the change. Then I will change here, and then we'll see. Okay, so
Okay.
is it clear now? Till now, any questions on
Mm,
this?
no, no.
Okay. Now let me see which number range is assigned to this one. MMNR is the transaction code for this one. Okay.
MMNR, okay.
Hmm. So ZHLB. ZHLB. No? ZHLB is here under TT group. Okay.
Control.
Yes, T. Okay. This is a TT group.
Mm,
It is
mhm,
having starting number range 11002 1199 up to 1199. Okay, but it is starting with
mhm,
as of now the last number is 1119. Okay, so it should save the next number as a 1120. Okay,
mhm,
now let's. Okay, so this is configuration we done, right? So now
mhm,
parallelly when we do this testing, so this is called as unit testing. Okay,
okay.
this is unit testing. This is done under the same client development.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Just hold on a minute. हेलो.
Yeah, yes.
ठीक है. So this is unit testing we are performing now. So what
Okay.
is the T code to create material master?
MM01.
MM0, right? ठीक है. So now material, I'm not going to select industry. I am going to select as, let's say, mechanical engineer. This is again the standard we can take anytime. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Semi finished.
We will create a new industries also, right? If
Yes, yes,
required.
yeah,
That
yes,
also configuration will do.
yes, we can create. ठीक है. Semi
Okay.
finished material type I have selected this one, all the one. ठीक है.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And now I will enter. ठीक है. So in the view selection, if you see here, there is no work scheduling view. You're not able to,
Mm.
because I disabled that. ठीक है. That is one point we did change. Now
Okay.
basic views while creating material master generally are. ठीक है. Generally we took
Mm-hmm.
is to understand material. I know you are already full aware of material master views creation. ठीक है. But still I will show you. Basic data one. If you
Okay.
select basic data two will get automatically created. ठीक है.
Okay.
Then purchasing. If you select
Okay.
purchasing, internal national trade import will automatically and this purchase orders will get created. MRP
Mm.
at this stage generally I don't uh, show to create because it has a like other MRP parameters dependent. Okay, that's why. So there is MRP
Okay.
point we have. That time I will take this MRP views. Okay.
Okay.
Then uh, general plant data storage two view. Okay. So if you take any of
Mm.
the view, the one another view will get created automatically. Okay.
Okay.
And accounting one view.
Mm-hmm.
Generally, you can not this one. One, four, five, six. These are the mandatory. I mean, basic views we create first. Okay, you can default it from here.
Okay.
Select create view selected. Click on org levels. Now org levels. What org levels? So we have created plant as a 100 5
Fine.
5. This one. Okay. Storage location also you can select
So,
it from here. If you know you can directly enter. Otherwise you can select from here also. One double
mm-hmm.
zero five semi finished. Okay. And
Mm.
default it. Okay. So there is one more point from the finance. Okay. FI
Mm-hmm.
consultant has to complete to activate the ledger. Earlier,
Mm-hmm.
material ledger was optional in ACC. Okay. So in S4 it is
Okay.
mandatory.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do that first. So CKM start.
What is the decode?
CKM start. Okay. This is run by the finance.
ATM stuff.
Hmm.
Oh.
10005 plan code. Background
Mm-hmm.
processing test run. Exchange
Mm-hmm.
rate EM is standard. Okay. Then nothing. Okay. So I have to select a test run. Let's see if there are any errors. मतलब जो not active in plant. Okay. I will remove test run and not active in plant. Why it is not? Oh, no, no. Okay. There are both the transition code. So okay. So before this also we need to complete three more steps from finance. The code for that. mm, There are three tick codes actually we have to run to ensure the configuration from finance. That is a basic setup. mandatory setup from the finance.
That you call account determination process?
No, no. Content is not that.
Uh,
Here we are doing all the consultant activity, not only MM.
uh,
Okay, so you don't have to do this activity when during the implementation. The FI consultant will do this.
but only for knowledge,
Mm.
if you do end to end no proper, then if like this problem will come, you know that uh what are the solution for this?
Taking time. OMX. So let me go directly there. Okay.
It's triple
So
OMX.
OMX is its solution is 1005. Okay. So material ledger is not activated. This
Mm,
one.
mm.
Okay. Material ledger type is 0001. Okay. And price determination. Okay. Transaction based we generally use. Okay. Price should be based on
Mm,
transactions.
okay.
Okay. I have activated now. This one is okay. So company code currency is 10 and group currency is 30. Okay. This is for finance only. We don't have to deal with anyway. Okay.
Mhm,
And even
mhm,
we don't know the use of that. If you but this is just a basic configuration we need to be ensured. Okay. So this is green now. Okay. Status should be green. It is ledger is
mm,
assigned. Ledger type is assigned. Okay. This is the
okay.
only time we can change the ledger type or whatever anything to for that plant. Once any transaction or any data is created, I mean before activation of ledger, that we
Mhm.
can change it. Okay. Now we can run the CKM start. Okay. So on this side, tester and I selected directly. Okay. Start immediately.
Why we are doing this activity?
Just now I told you, no? To activate a ledger. This is a finance activity.
Okay.
No.
This is okay.
Job is running. Okay, it should be finished. It will complete that activity in the background through the job, background job.
Okay.
Generally, it does not take this much time. Not sure. Mm,
PKM start decode, right? Or any different decode? Just check.
cancel झाला रे. What happened? यार मला let's check with
Just one. For checking which T-code is there,
hmm? Look
another
what
T-code which first you start CK M start. Later again for this activity which T-code we need
this
to
is a
check.
job, this is a job, you know, the SM37.
SM37. Okay, okay. First one is released. And then refresh.
This is actually this test ID only, but I'm not sure why it is
Mhm.
not active. 47. Now it is active.
Mhm.
2 seconds delays all our program. Actually, mm, maybe nobody is using this system. This is a new access he has given it. That's why it is
Mhm.
taking time. First time,
Okay.
or he might have refreshed the system.
Mhm.
Just to join again. It will disconnect.
It is activated, no? Why you again refreshing?
I want to be, it is completed, finished, and then I want to see the log.
Okay.
If it is why it is, I
Mm.
see it is still canceling.
Both again deleted again.
No, no, that actually getting showing dump above